Good morning, traders. Alla Fibonacci Trading Institute. In front of you, software in overnight session from prior few hours. This is precision, this is purity, this is clarity of the system traded globally on all instruments. Pure price for entry with precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. Price reverse exactly where it says reversal zone. And when you trade as intelligent trader and you choose your ultimate trade, the sky's the limit. War announcement is on. Price at critical support level. Price been here for the last 12 hours. Intelligent trader understands this is crucial moment in your trading. Intelligent trader understands prior to trading day, this is your trading range. If you ever short near this level, your success less than 5%. Buyers keep defending this level. How is it possible? Announcement of the start of potential World War III zone and prices rallying? Shock or not, intelligent trader never shorts near this level. Do we know that? Of course. But if you choose to trade this market, you understand your trading range is limited this morning. Correct? You understand the risks involved. More and more announcements of war keep coming out, more cautious you have to be. This is a software in front of you right now. Intelligent trader knew well before market open, this is the only option. There is no other option. That's it. Software projects it on 1 minute chart so you can see precision and accuracy instantly. You took this trade, your trading day is done. That's it. You're adjusting your trail outside of decision point 2. You're trailing carefully. There was no other option this morning. War or not, with Alpha Fibonacci rules, well before market open you know whether to buy or sell the market. Picture perfect example of the power of the system and the reason why it's traded globally on all instruments by traders of all levels, including JP Morgan traders, including hedge fund managers in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia. Oil news is next. So again, this is key moment, this is reversal zone. Adjusting your trail is crucial. This morning we opened up at institutional buy point. This morning we're not dealing with little baby levels. This is where institutional long sitting and waiting. The start of potential third world war or not. This is it. There was no other option. Only this is present. We discussed all of this with my incredible traders before market open. Can you obey the rules? Can you trade with JP Morgan traders? Can you think and trade as intelligent trader does? Do you understand if trading on the news worked, you would be shorting the market since the crisis of 2020? But market more than doubled in value. And that's what I will be teaching to my students this morning. And when price reverses from reversal zone, of course it's expected. And if price collapses all the way back down, it's a beautiful news. You are not speculator. You are not a gambler. You are not chasing junky indicators. You think and trade as JP Morgan trader does. You're only focusing on pure price. And you never buying near red zone, correct? You knew before price reached this level. This is not the place to enter. This is a place to exit your long. That's it. And if price crashes all the way back down again, it's a beautiful news. But again and again and again, this is institutional buy point. Correct? On any chart you choose to trade. On any. This is our preparation for the trading day. There is no other option this morning. This is where we are. But again and again and again, as you witnessed, precise short from reversal zone, that's how intelligent trader trades Alpha Fibonacci System. On historical morning with the war announcement on, S&P skyrocketed 25 points. And when the price reaches reversal zone to the downside and keeps finding the buyers again, they show you again and again and again the power and precision of the system and the reason system traded globally on all instruments, on all accounts by traders of all levels. So here we go, traders. This morning, Bobby, 22 points on S&P. What is 22 points on S&P? One lot, $50 per point. Do the math. One lot, $1,000 in change. 10 lots, $10,000 in change. 22 lots, 22,000 plus. Genius, brilliant work by hedge fund trader. Bobby and I have been working together since 2012. We just reconnected recently again. Genius of a trader. Stunning, phenomenal, breathtaking work. Bobby knows the power of the system. I can't wait to do the podcast with Bobby. So while we're monitoring S&P, as S&P remains stuck at the red zone and keeps reminding you, do not buy into this level. We need for S&P to crash and burn. We need for S&P to collapse lower to institutional buy zone. But again and again, this is critical chart that's in front of you. You understand, we've been here for the last literally 16, 18 hours. Institutional longs sitting pretty at this level. So here are other charts. Here's Tesla. Tesla sold off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is key level on Tesla, traders. Crucial, critical. Lifeline on Tesla to the downside, 600 level. Intelligent trader never buys Tesla at reversal zone. Never, ever, ever. Intelligent trader understands. Chances of sell-off on Tesla, high 80%. Tesla collapse from $1,200 to $700. $500 per share. Apple sold off from reversal zone from 180 to 155. This is lifeline on Apple. You are not surprised, all precise. Again, all of this identified in advance, and we discuss this in classes with students every single Thursday. Google in free fall. Google sold off from 3,000 to 2,500. Are you long Google? Did you take profits off the table? Are you losing money? Are you looking at the start of historical institutional sell-off? With Alpha Fibonacci rules, you know what to do with your position. You are not in panic. You are extremely clear. What to monitor for next on Google and how to trade Google. But if you exited Google at 2600 level, you are a genius trader. Amazon. Complete sell-off, complete crash. From 3,200 to 2,800. $1,000 per share on Amazon. Has anyone seen bad earnings on Amazon? Earnings phenomenal. Amazon in free fall. Of course, Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone identified years in advance. What I will be teaching in today's class, what you can see in hundreds of videos in member area, showing you with your brilliant mind, you know where to enter and exit Amazon. Gold. Bullish rally is on. But again and again and again, this is a problem on gold. 2000 level. Bullish rally overextended. This is first brick wall. This level will be a problem next. But this is a key event next. Oil news. Oil at ultimate brick wall. Bullish rally on oil overextended. And as intelligent trader who knows Alpha Fibonacci system, you understand this is key historical event on oil. So when I bring you to Bitcoin, my favorite event on Bitcoin, this is key level on Bitcoin next. Here's Bitcoin traders. Bitcoin crashed and burned as expected from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is key level on Bitcoin. This is lifeline on Bitcoin. This level on Bitcoin is out. Bitcoin in free fall, complete free fall. Intelligent trader never buys Bitcoin or Amazon or Apple or gold or oil at reversal zone. Do you understand that part? Are you intelligent strategic trader or are you keep chasing indicators? What do? You decide how to trade the markets. As JP Morgan trader or as a gambler? 95% of traders chasing cheap indicators because of insecurities. Intelligent trader hits the brake after seeing it, what majority does for a few months. Intelligent trader understands instantly. Indicators are delayed, look good after the fact. So when I look at the recent emails I received from students, Bitcoin Theo is here this morning. Genius of a trader, absolute genius, trading everything. Good morning, Theo. Forex, Bitcoin, of course. Listen to Theo's podcast. Stunning, brilliant work by James. Again, these are few of the emails. Stunning, flawless. Pablo, complete beginner trader, 300 points on Nasdaq. Can you do that? Listen to Pablo's podcast. He's also trading oil. He's also trading micro futures. Complete beginner trader, of course. Stunning, brilliant work. And if you listen to the latest podcast with Richard, Richard is here this morning, absolutely killing it on options. Brilliant, stunning, breathtaking work. 100% success rate. All of this in thousands and thousands of emails. And when mom with 2 little babies at home, trading Nasdaq, easy peasy, 23 points pre-market, if Jennifer can do this, so can you. If Richard can do it, so can you. If Pablo can do it, so can you. Thousands and thousands of traders all over the world trading any instrument they choose with Alpha Fibonacci System. So if you enjoyed the events of this morning in our trading room, I hope you're joining us in the course. You can trade as these traders do all over the world. This is institutional system, proprietary system that applies to any and every instrument, can be traded on all platforms. So if you listen to students' podcasts, if you view students' performance in students' emails, all you have to do is choose from option appropriate for you. I have only one space available in private mentoring. Private mentoring 4 months includes all group courses, lifetime system for all platforms, or lifetime software for Ninja 8. But if you choose second most popular option, which is a group course, it includes lifetime system for all platforms or lifetime system for Ninja 8 with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software, video library modules, trading room, live classes included as well. If you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. You can also find all the historical details about the method under About Us. And again, any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. That's it.